Hi, my name is Sanjay Hegde. I used to study in Don Bosco's between 1972 and 1980. Your school years are often the happiest years of your life, and what you study there stays with you, stays with you through the rest of your life and helps you all the time. Because after all, the friends that you make, the values that you imbibe, and the lessons that you learn at that early age as a child finally go to make the man who strives through a journey of life and does what he can to make this world a better place.
Hi friends, my name is Shreya Sayer and I'm here to share the values that helped me growing when I was in Don Bosco High School. Uh, so the first thing that is important is trusting yourself. No matter whatever the situation is, how big it is, you have to believe in yourself and you shouldn't have any doubt in your abilities. So this was the first thing that I learned when I was in school, and there will be many naysayers, many negative thinkers, and many doubters, but you have to prove them wrong. And I used to love accepting challenges. Whenever I used to see any challenge around me, I used to just participate in it, and you know it really didn't matter to me winning or losing, but whenever I used to come out of the game, or after participating in it, even if I used to lose it, uh, you know I always thought that I've given 100%, and that's it. I used to always believe in the process, not the results. Thirdly, you have to respect your coaches, stay humble to everyone, and listen to your inner voice. Whatever your mind says, just do it. Just back your instincts and just go with the flow. Try to keep things simple, not make it difficult, because the most difficult thing is keeping it simple. So just stay grounded and just enjoy your life. Thank you.
My association with Don Bosco started way back in 1968. That is almost, a 48-year-old association. I joined the primary school in 1968 at the age of 4, and today at 52, it just seems like the other day. Whatever I am in my life, I sincerely believe is because of Don Bosco. It taught me discipline, it taught me culture, it taught me patience. It brought about the best in me. The vast playground, the openness, widened the horizon, and even today, every day in the morning, my daily walk is in Don Bosco, and the memories are as fresh as the other day when I started my career in 1968. Whatever I am in life, I think Don Bosco has had a great role to play. The teachers, the magnificent teachers, the magnificent playground, the magnificent edifice, everything has gone a long way in making me the person whatever I am. Thank you so much, Don Bosco.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sushant Singh Bhatia, batch of 2006-2007, Don Bosco Matunga. I'm currently working for Tom's Shipping and I pilot the ships worldwide. I'm serving on the ships as a first officer. I've also had the good fortune of being awarded by the Vice Admiral of the Indian Navy, Chief of Naval Staff, Western Naval Command, as well as in the presence of the Honorable President of India, Shri Pranab Mukherjee. But I strongly believe that these fruits of success would not have been possible without the values and the roots that were developed at Don Bosco. So when Sir Rajesh Tripathi called me up a few days back to share my experience, I was immediately taken back into the nostalgia lane. And the first thing that came to my mind was one of the quotes that our Father Rector had shared with us. He said, "Your virtues are your best investments. Share markets may rise or fall, but this one stock will always yield the richest dividends." I think nothing can sum it up better than the motto of our school itself, "In virtute robur," in virtue lies our strength. My only message to my fellow students at Don Bosco would be, guys, trust me, the sky is not the limit, the mind is. Thank you, have a great day, and I'm proud to be a Boscoite.
Hi, I'm Dr. Amit Patki. I always believe that what one learns in school helps to mold one's future and career. I've been very fortunate to have schooled at Don Bosco Matunga, which has helped me tremendously in my profession and in my day-to-day activities. I observed my teachers and I found them to be very passionate in their jobs, very caring, and always willing to take up challenges in teaching students. I observed the Salesians and found the sacrifice in their work and their motto of never giving up hope on one student. Today, as a doctor who helps infertile couples achieve their dream of parenthood, I find I'm very passionate in my work. I have learned to sacrifice my personal life for my patients, and I've also learned not to give up hope on my patients' dreams. I've also learned leadership qualities and the value of teamwork in the play fields in the school and as a troop leader in school. This I have used as a president of our Association of Doctors few years ago. I'm ever indebted and thankful to my school, my teachers and my Salesians in helping me mold my career, helping me have values in my profession, and helping me to be a better citizen of our society. Thank you and God bless.